Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Priyanka aka the Clueless Artist. If you're watching my video for the first time, please do consider subscribing. I upload art tutorials every Sunday. But as you can see, today's video is a bit different. This is the parcel that I got from Anupam last week. So today I'm gonna do its unboxing. Before I start the unboxing, let me tell you something about Anupam. It is an Indian stationery brand where you can find some of the finest stationeries for office and schools along with the art supplies. I'll link the website in the description. Please check it out. They are running 10% off on a lot of their products. Plus you'll get 5% extra off if you use my coupon code TheCluelessArtist5. So that's it. Now let's just get started with today's video. The first thing that I have here is this cute little canvas board. Guys, it does not come with the easel. I already had one which I bought from some local store. If you want one, I'll find it online and link it in the description box below, so please don't forget to check it out. Coming back to the canvas, it's acid free and best for oil and acrylic colors. It is also very affordable. I got it only for rupees 36. The actual price of this was rupees 40 I guess, but it was on 10% off. I would say if you're a absolute beginner who wants to try the hands-on canvas painting, you should definitely try it out. I got 4 of these, so you'll see a lot of canvas painting tutorials on my channel in the future. This is the another canvas board that I got. It is 12 by 16 inches. I got it for rupees 117. Again, it was on discount. Next up is this A5 size watercolor pads. It has 300 GSM 12 sheets for rupees 180, but I got it for rupees 162. Trust me guys, the paper quality is super amazing. It is cold pressed and acid free, perfect for watercolor paintings even if you are a beginner. Okay, so last thing that I have is something that I was so excited to buy. I wanted to get this fluid acrylic kit since a very long time. It is by the brand Camel and comes in 3 different shades: aqua, sunset and monochrome. I got the sunset one for rupees 249. It was not on discount. I'll be making a separate video on fluid art as well, so please stay tuned. That's all for today's video. If you like it, please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section. Also, if you shop from Anupam, please don't forget to use my coupon code TheCluelessArtist5 to get 5% off.